Do you want to get started with Azure AI Foundry video generation? Well, we're going to show you how to deploy a model and start in the chat playground in this video. My name is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and we're seeking to help people understand how to use Azure AI Foundry in the series. If this is your first video, I suggest you go to the playlist and check out all the other videos for your Azure AI Foundry needs. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we landed in AI Foundry, and we have a few things going on. You're always going to start up in your overview window. We want to go to Playgrounds. Then we want to go to Video Playground. Because we don't have a model set up yet, we're going to have to do that. So you met with this cool page of generated models. And so let's deploy a video model. You don't have a ton to choose from in Foundry, but we do have some videos. So they're basically the same, so we can just choose one, and then we'll confirm. We'll see if we have quota in this area, and it looks like perhaps we do, so let's try to deploy. All right, so it looks like we were able to deploy that, and so let's go check our models. So it's all the way down at the bottom on this side of the screen, and we see Sora was deployed successfully. So let's go back up to the playground, video playground, and then we should have a model deployed. So, yep, our model is there. So let's go check things out and try to generate something. We have our settings right here. This gives us a general understanding of things. We can dictate the resolution, and that's going to take up more resources, right? And we could dictate the video size. So let's make it for like an iPhone. We can attach an image there. We could dictate the duration, and we can also add some variation to it and rewrite our prompt with AI, which is probably a pretty good idea because it seems like this prompt generation is getting real good for AI Foundry. So let's give it a cool prompt. It says robot dancing on the moon on a, yeah, let's just say on the moon. Okay, let's see. And so we've got to think about this in the context of building an application. So from this, you're going to be able to go and get an endpoint to be able to build your pipeline to be able to integrate this with your application, right? It's like the end goal of this is not just to be a fancy widget. Okay, so we have our generation, and this is like obviously not that good. The prompt wasn't great. We could have rewritten the prompt, done a lot of things different. This is sort of just to illustrate the point. But you're able to go and get the code, which is really the main part of what we're trying to show, is how to get what you need to be able to go and integrate this. So we got all of our code types here, and we're able to go and call the endpoint with our API key and start generating some videos to then put in a blob and be able to render on the front end or kind of do anything we want with them, right? Make them downloadable for users in an app. So this kind of will get you going and started with video generation in Azure AI Foundry. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Check out the other videos in the playlist. And if you need any help getting started in AI Foundry, please reach out. Have a good one.